So how many miles is that?
I don't know.
Let's do this. So how many laps is a mile? 4 laps is a mile, right? Okay, so let's do this. Ready? So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4. Do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now stop. So that is 1 mile right there.
I'm 4.
You're 4?
Yeah.
Wow. So this is 1 mile, okay? Now let's count 4 more right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 2 miles. Let's count 4 more right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many miles is that? 1. Yeah.
Yay! How many miles did you want to do today?
4.
Nice. So you could do 4 more laps. You could do
One more stick.
I can do 1 more.
You could.
Yeah, but then I'll do 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. I'll be like that.
Yep. So you're gonna do 1 more?
Yeah, but just 1 more.
Okay. All right.
I tell you, my kid better love me because I already got 20.